हेलो दोस्तों, डी फार्मेसी एग्जिट एग्जाम एंड आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट के फार्माकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट के एमसीक्यूज आज से हम शुरू करने वाले हैं। तो ये होने वाला है पार्ट फर्स्ट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स इज ए स्टडी ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल एंड थेरेपेटिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्रग, बी स्टडी ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन, डिस्ट्रप्शन, मेटाबॉलिज्म एंड एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ ड्रग्स, सी द स्टडी ऑफ मैकेनिज्म ऑफ ड्रग एक्शन, डी द स्टडी ऑफ मेथड्स ऑफ न्यू ड्रग डेवलपमेंट। Correct answer is B, the study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and exertion of drugs. What does pharmacokinetics include? A. Complication of drug therapy. B. Drug biotransformation in organism. C. Influence of drug in metabolism process. D. Influence of drug in genes. Correct answer is B. Drug biotransformation in the organism. What does pharmacokinetics include? Localization of drug action, mechanism of drug action, exertion of substances, interaction of substances. Correct answer is C. Exertion of substances. The main mechanism of most drug absorption in gastrointestinal tract is A. Active transport, B. Filtration, C. Endocytosis and exocytosis, D. Passive diffusion. Correct answer is D. Passive diffusion, liquid diffusion. What kind of substances can't permit membranes by passive diffusion? A. Lipid soluble, B. Non-ionized substance, C. Hydrophobic substance, D. Hydrophilic substance. Correct answer is option D. Hydrophilic substances. A hydrophilic medicinal agent has the following property. A. Low ability to penetrate through the cell membrane lipids. B. Penetrate through the membranes by means of endocytosis. C. Easy penetration through the blood-brain barrier. D. High reabsorption in renal tubules. Correct answer is A. Low ability to penetrate through the cell membrane lipids. What is implied by active transport? A. Transport of drug through membrane by means of diffusion. B. Transport without energy consumption. C. Engulf of drug by a cell membrane with a new viscile formation. D. Transport against concentration gradient. Correct answer is D. Transport against concentration gradient. What does the term bioavailability means? A. Plasma protein binding degree of substances. B. Permeability through the blood-brain barrier. C. Fraction of uncharged drug reaching the systemic circulation following any route administration. D. Amount of substances in urine relative to the initial dose. Correct answer is C. Fraction of an uncharged drug reaching to a systemic circulation following any route of administration. The reasons determining bioavailability are A. Rheological parameter of a blood. B. Amount of substances obtained orally and quantity of intakes. C. Extent of absorption and haptic first pass effect. D. Glomerular filtration rate. Correct answer is C. Extent of absorption and haptic first pass effect. Pick out the appropriate elementary route of administration when passage of drug through liver is minimized. A. Oral. B. Transdermal. C. Rectal. D. Intraduodenal. Correct answer is option C. Rectal. Which route of drug administration is most likely to lead to the first pass effect? A. Sublingual. B. Oral. C. Intravenous. D. Intramuscular. Correct answer is B. Oral. What is the characteristics of the oral route? A. Fast onset of effect. B. Absorption depend on the gastrointestinal tract secretion and motor function. C. A drug reaches the blood passing to the liver. D. Sterilization of a medical form in obligatory. Correct option is option B. Absorption depend on gastrointestinal tract secretion and motor function. Tick the feature of the sublingual route. A. Pretty fast absorption. B. A drug exposed to the gastric secretion. C. A drug is exposed to the more prominent liver metabolism. D. A drug can be administered in a variety of doses. Correct answer is D. A drug can be administered in a variety of doses. Pick out the parental route of the medicinal agent administration. A. Rectal. B. Oral. C. Sublingual. D. Inhalation. Correct answer is D. Inhalation. Parental administration. A. Cannot be used with unconscious patient. B. Generally result in a less accurate dosage than oral administration. C. Usually produce a more rapid response than oral administration. D. It is too slow emergency use. Correct answer is C. Usually produce a more rapid response than oral administration. सो ये था पार्ट फर्स्ट। तो बाकी सब्जेक्ट की भी प्लेलिस्ट हमारे चैनल पे अवेलेबल है, आप जाके चेक कर सकते हो। और वीडियो पसंद तो लाइक कर देना, चैनल पर तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना। तब तक के लिए पीस आउट।